Side steps are a very common mode for truck owners, but for a long time, we've just had to deal with heavy, clunky steel parts and shipping costs that are honestly insane. Today, I'm showing you something different, the Plomor Modular Magnesium-Aluminum Alloy side steps. When we started, we had a bold idea. Could side steps be as precise as Legos, but fit perfectly like an OEM part? Before we get started, hit that like and follow button. We will keep bringing you more high quality gear for your LC250. First, let's talk about the look. These aren't just big metal bars. They feature a clean industrial design with geometric cutouts. The sandblasted metal finish doesn't just prevent rust, it gives the whole truck a high-end, blacked-out look. These cutouts also have a purpose. They cut down weight and give you great grip in rain or snow. The anti-slip performance is top-notch. The core feature here is the modular assembly system. Every bracket and panel is its own independent piece. What does that mean for you? First, you stop paying to ship air. Traditional side steps come into huge boxes, and half the price goes to shipping. Our modular design cuts that box size down by over 30%. We took those huge savings and put them back into the product. Every dollar you spend goes into the product itself, not an expensive shipping label. A lot of people ask, is this bolt-together kit actually strong? In fact, this structure uses a multi-point bottle system with center supports to spread out the impact more scientifically. Visually, we went for an OE Plus style. The size is almost identical to the factory steps, so they sit tight against the body. For the DIY fans, you will love this. It's 100% bottom, no drilling required. It lines up perfectly with the factory holes. Now, let's take a look at the assembly process. Bottom line, Plomor is a smarter, more modern way to model your truck. This is lightweight, modular, and looks great. If you want a balance between tough off-roading and clean city style, this is the one. Check the link in comments or visit our website to learn more. New customers get 10% off your first order. We modify to make the life an art. I'm DHG from Plomor, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.